Hello friends, let's learn vegetables name in English, Hindi and Marathi. Lady finger. In Hindi, bhindi. In Marathi, bhendi. Fenugreek. In Hindi, methi. In Marathi, methi. Spinach. In Hindi, palak. In Marathi, palak. Bitter gourd. In Hindi, karela. In Marathi, कारले. Turnip. In Hindi, salgam. In Marathi, shaljam. Mint. In Hindi, pudina. In Marathi, pudina. Brinjal. In Hindi, बैंगन. In Marathi, वांगे. Ginger. In Hindi, अदरक. In Marathi, आले. Lemon. In Hindi, नींबू. In Marathi, लिंबू. Cluster beans. In Hindi, ग्वार. In Marathi, गवार. Rich gourd. In Hindi, तोरई. In Marathi, दोडके. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe.